Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to achieve this hair look. I have been seeing it pretty much kind of like all over Instagram, a bunch of different variations of it, so I decided to do a variation of my own of the classic smoky eye with a pop of neon in the inner corner. I absolutely love inner corner highlights, or just inner corner pops. So I've seen it everywhere and I decided to give it a try. So if you want to see how I achieve this look here, then keep on watching. Also, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. And it's really weird for me to like introduce myself. I'm trying to figure out like how to incorporate it into my regular intro, so I'm just editing here. We don't know. For those who don't know, my name is Juanya. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And again, as I stated before, if you want to see how I achieve this here smoky eye with the neon inner corner, keep on watching. Okay, to start off this look, I am taking the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch as my base, kind of carving out my brow in a sense. I'm just putting that all over and then blending that down to give me a solid base for my shadows. Alright, taking these two shades from the Sephora collection, E.L.F medium warm palette, and just working that through my crease as a transition color. And I'm continuing to build it up to create like this soft kind of muted peach transition. Then I'm going in with this here very like warm orange brown through my crease. I went a little ham, so I was blending out the edge because I wanted it to be a little more diffused. And then just continuing to build up that color. Doing windshield wiper motions, building until I get the color intensity that I want. Next, going in with this deeper brown just to give me a little bit more depth and dimension. And just building up little by little. I don't want to go in with too much product at one time, because then if I put too much and then it'll kind of start to look muddy. So I just want to like slowly build up the color. And I'm laying down this black base. I took a shade from my Makeup Forever Flash palette. Putting down a little black base. And then taking the black shadow and packing that on top of the base like so. Give me some nice rich black pigment. Then after that, taking a blend of the brown and the black just to make sure the seam where the crease color and the lid color meet isn't harsh. And I wanted the black to be a little softer. I wanted it to be like kind of like a distressed black color. So I went over with a little bit of brown, but then I was like, oh, I kind of like took away a little bit too much black, so I went back over with some black. Kind of just, you know, figuring out what color I wanted. Alright, then just making sure again that line is seamless. Then I'm doing the same thing I did on top on the bottom, kind of just smoking out the lower lash line. I only went probably about halfway on the lower lash line just to keep my eye pretty open. Give it that, you know, cat eye smolder. Then for the inner corner pop, I used the ColourPop Super Shock in the color Glowstix. It's definitely more like neon yellow in person, but here it's looking a little soft. I was feeling whatever song was playing here. Yes. Alright, then skip to my face for a highlight. I'm using this liquid highlight from Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Spotlight. This will act as a base, just to give me that glow from within kind of look. Doing the same on this side, one little ham. So I'm blending it down. And then you can stop here, but I wanted a little extra drama, so I took this highlighter from AOA in the shade Luster, pop that on top, and also put it on my brow bone. And for lips, I'm taking this Becca lipstick in the shade Taupe. It's like I think they described it as like a neutral cinnamon. And then I popped this L'Oreal gloss on top. And then I used my bronzer on my cheeks as like a bronzer blush, just to give me a little more color. I did some little lookaways, give you some, you know, views of the look, the situation that is here at hand. And that's it. Alrighty, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had a lot of fun making it. I don't feel like I really do a bunch of looks that are like specifically inspired by Instagram trends, but I enjoyed doing this one. If you want to see more looks inspired by Instagram trends, let me know down below. And also feel free to leave any suggestions of other looks that you would like to see here on my channel. I thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thumbs up if you like this video. And feel free to follow me on my Instagram. I'll be sure to put it here. All the good stuff will be listed down below. All the products that I used in the video, and then everything that I used on my complexion will be used as well, since I didn't mention those. But I'll be sure to list that down below if you weren't interested. Yeah, I think that is everything. Again, thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye.